Throughout our history, humans have built colossal statues to honor gods, leaders, heroes, and even ideas. Serving as landmarks and symbols of cultural pride, these towering figures capture the imagination and sometimes even the essence of the civilizations that created them. Travel with us now as we take this monumental journey through history and across countries to see the colossi of the world. The Statue of Unity, Gujarat, India. This statue stands 597 feet tall, making it the world's tallest statue. It's a tribute to Sardar Patel, a key leader in the independence movement of India. It was built in just under 4 years, and the statue incorporates materials collected from farmers as tribute to Patel's agrarian reform efforts. Kun Iam Statue, Macau. This 66-foot bronze statue of Kun Iam honors the Chinese goddess of mercy. This peaceful figure is a landmark and popular pilgrimage site, symbolizing peace and compassion. A small museum can be found in the statue's base. Kun Iam's influence in East Asian culture and through Buddhism reflects the harmonious blend of Portuguese and Chinese influences. This magnificent statue represents Macau's unique identity. Lady Buddha, Da Nang, Vietnam. Standing at 220 feet tall, the Lady Buddha overlooks the ocean and acts as a guardian to the local fishing communities. One of the tallest Buddha statues in Southeast Asia is this giant white statue. It reflects the belief that the goddess of mercy protects residents from natural disasters. Abu Simbel. Statues of Ramses II in Egypt. Built over 3,000 years ago to honor the pharaoh's power and his self-proclaimed divine status, these 4 statues of Ramses II sit at Abu Simbel Temple. Guarding the entrance to the Great Temple are these 66-foot figures. They remain a testament to the skill of Egyptian artisans. This is Mandraki Harbor. It was home to one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, the Colossus of Rhodes. These 2 pedestals, with deer sitting on top of them, sit in the exact place where each of the feet of the Colossus of Rhodes stood. The Colossus of Rhodes was a tribute to the sun god Helios. It was built around 292 BCE, and it celebrated Rhodes' victory over Cyprus. While the remains of the statue were sold off long ago, the story of this figure continues to stimulate the imagination of people across the world. Christ of Monteagudo, Spain. On a hill near Murcia, Spain, at 46 feet tall and overlooking the surrounding countryside, is the statue of the Christ of Monteagudo. Over the ruins of a fortress, it was built in 1951. It's visible from miles away and has become a prominent symbol for the city below. Tiantan Buddha, Lantau Island, Hong Kong. On Lantau Island is a 112-foot seated Buddha statue representing harmony and peace in Buddhist teachings. Buddha statues normally face south, but this statue, built in 1993, faces north toward mainland China, making it unique. Made from bronze, the statue weighs over 250 tons. Visitors climb 268 steps to reach the statue. Mother Georgia, Tbilisi, Georgia. Over Tbilisi is a 65-foot statue symbolizing Georgian national pride. This statue, also known as Kartla, is Mother Georgia. It was built in 1958, and it symbolizes hospitality and defense, holding a bowl of wine in one hand and a sword in the other. The statue embodies the Georgian spirit, welcoming friends and resisting enemies. It fondly remains one of Tbilisi's most iconic landmarks. Giant Golden Buddha, Wat Muang, Anthong, Thailand. In Anthong, Thailand is a 302-foot seated Buddha which towers over Wat Muang Temple Complex. It was built in 2008, and this immense figure took almost 2 decades to construct. It's one of the tallest statues in Thailand and one of the largest in the world. The Liberty of Ukraine, Kyiv, Ukraine. The Liberty of Ukraine statue, also known as the Motherland Monument, stands 335 feet tall in Kyiv. It symbolizes Ukraine's strength and its resilience. The shield and sword that the statue holds symbolize defense. A memorial hall and national museum are now found in the base of the statue. Christ the Redeemer, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. One of the most recognizable in all the world, and towering at 98 feet tall, is the statue Christ the Redeemer. It's been called one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Representing Brazilian Christianity and peace, its arms stretch wide in a welcoming embrace. This iconic statue and symbol attracts millions of visitors every year. Guan Yin, Chiang Rai, Thailand. Standing at 260 feet tall, representing the goddess of mercy, known for her compassionate gaze, is the Guan Yin statue. Built on a hill, the statue watches over the valley below. It was built as a place of worship, and it brings to it those seeking blessings and solace. Inside the statue you can find decorative murals and shrines dedicated to Buddhist deities. The Golden Buddha, Hua Hin, Thailand. On a rock formation overlooking the sea, creating a peaceful coastal scene, is the Golden Buddha statue in Hua Hin. This 50-foot statue shines under the sun. It's a popular place for travelers and for worshippers. Cristo Luz, Cambodia, Brazil. Cristo Luz is a 108-foot statue. It holds a disc of light representing divine radiance and protection for the city below. It was built in 1997, and the statue lights up at night in changing colors. It offers panoramic views of Cambodia and its beaches, and it's a popular spot for evening visits.